Hi folks, Will at LR Workshop. I think there's one thing that everyone can agree on with the Land Cruiser 70 series. Its biggest Achilles heel, its weakness, the most hated thing by people that love the 70 series, that is the wheel track. The front axle, at least on the later models, is wider than the rear axle. A lot of you will have heard of this from, other channels like Andrew St. Pierre White on 4X Overland or Ronnie Dahl. They've talked about it over and over many times, and it may be confusing, because why would you design a vehicle that way? But I thought in this video I'd show you exactly what that looks like for those of you that have never seen a 70 series before. You can see on the front body that it is indeed wider, and the front wheel arch pokes out and then comes back in near the door. So really what they did was they wanted to fit a bigger engine or have more space in the engine bay. They fitted a wider axle and widened the chassis at that stage, and they didn't bother with the rear axle. So it can cause problems when you're driving in deep mud or in sand, because the rear wheels don't follow in the tracks that the front wheels have just pushed out. So you're getting essentially like probably 30-40% more friction driving through those surfaces, and you end up with like a fishtailing effect. So I'm told. Anyway, I thought that might be slightly interesting for you to see. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.